cool. Here's what I'm producing. I need to channel for both sides, so all I'm doing is picking these up like this, turning them around, and I'm putting these pieces on the sides there and just pushing it up against it, because these are 4mm and the end mill is 4mm. So yeah, turns out great. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Just moved the machine. It was over here, but now it's over there. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Put the cabinet on the wall. Ta-da-ta-ta, the new office. Awesome sauce. I have a question. So I'm experiencing some problems with this rack and pinion, especially on this right side, where in certain locations I can shake this and I can hear that there's some slight play there, and it goes away and it comes back and it goes away and it comes back. Basically, I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking, why that is. Maybe the rack's just worn. Of course, this rack is module 1.25, which is just weird. And my pinion is like 40 teeth, so that's maybe not optimal, but it's, you know, working for now. But it's not the end of the world to actually replace this rack with a helical one that's, you know, more quiet and efficient and nice. It's about 15,000 Swedish to buy those, but I really don't want to remove these and fasten the linear guide to the new ones and then do all of that work to have it lined up again and blah 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 blah. I don't know, I kind of don't want to touch that stuff, but I could. It's just it's gonna take some more effort. But what I'm thinking is, should I go ball screws? I mean, from SAP Automation, it's about the same money, and then just quickly design and have made a rotating nut for that, so that maybe a plate here to fasten the ball screw here, and the same on that side, and then just rotate the nut. I mean, that would take, I would preload it like 2% or something, so that would take all the play out of it, and it would be quieter. Of course not completely, but damn, that's nice. These Shop Saver machines in the States do use ball screws on all axes, and I really like it. Of course, I have these nice gearboxes and these adapter plates and mounts and everything. That's gonna be for nothing basically, but that's fine. That's fine. This machine is making its own money anyway, so yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Should I go racks again, but helical ones, or should I go ball screws? It's about the same amount of work, I guess. Its cost is quite the same. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? And maybe I should mention that I got a 50mm pinion, which is about 2" so that with the 1 to 10 gearbox, it's about 16mm per revolution, which gives me a lot of torque and about 1800 inches a minute of rapids. I'd say max feed rate would be 900 something, maybe 1000. And of course, if I go ball screws, then a 32 with 1 to 2 gearing would give me the same. Of course, the ball screws are gonna be a bit more efficient, so I'd probably gain some torque there. Then next step would be 40-40, which is of course 40mm girth, if you will, and 40mm per revolution. So that would give me more speed, which isn't that important, of course. Of course, the screws would be a little more rigid. Maybe they can absorb some more heat, expand less. The price difference isn't huge. Of course, the rotating nut design gets larger, and yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to, mention that.